Now mount it into the tool carriage by first loosening the tool carriage screw and making sure that the little C-clamp is completely out of the way. Before we mount the tool carriage though, notice that there are two positions or slots that the blade can be mounted onto. The back slot is for normal, or what is called kiss cutting. The front slot is for cutting completely through the backing. Mounting it to the front slot places it directly over a channel rather than over the Teflon strip. This in turn prevents damage to the Teflon strip. In this case, we'll be just kiss cutting vinyl, so let's mount the blade holder tool into the back slot by first loosening the tool carriage screw, making sure the little C-clamp is completely out of the way, and then pushing the blade holder tool down until the protruding rim on the blade holder is completely seated, allowing the C-clamp to fit over the rim. Secure the blade holder onto the carriage by turning the thumb screw, making sure that the C-clamp is above the rim of the blade holder.